One unexpected rainstorm is all it takes to realize your Honda CR-V wiper blades are failing you. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revealing the 7 ultimate wiper blades for Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 that deliver clearer visibility, smoother performance, and quieter driving. Stick around, and grab your favorites through the links waiting below. Most drivers blame heavy rain for poor visibility, but worn-out wiper blades are usually the real reason night driving feels stressful. That's where the Autobooth 3-pack windshield wiper blades for the Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 quietly surprise you. First thing you notice? The installation. One-click setup means no confusing adapters or wasted time in the driveway. Within minutes, the windshield looks cleaner, smoother, and far less streaky during rainstorms. This matters more than people think. Many Honda CR-V owners struggle with factory blades that begin skipping, squeaking, or smearing too early, especially during highway driving. Autobooth fixes that with all-weather rubber designed to handle heat, dust, and sudden downpours without losing pressure across the glass. Compared with budget refill-style blades, these feel more balanced and stable at higher speeds. They also include the rear blade, which many competing kits leave out. The downside? They may not feel as premium as ultra-expensive silicone options. Still, for drivers searching for dependable Honda CR-V 2022 wiper blades without overspending, this package delivers everyday visibility that genuinely changes the driving experience. Most drivers don't notice failing wiper blades until a heavy storm turns the windshield into pure chaos. That's where this 3-piece replacement set for the 2017 to 2022 Honda CR-V makes an immediate difference. The moment these blades hit the glass, the streaking, skipping, and annoying squeaks almost disappear. The fit is surprisingly precise. You get the full 26-inch, 17-inch, and 12-inch setup designed specifically for the Honda CR-V, including the rear blade many cheaper kits ignore. That alone saves time and frustration during installation. For people searching for dependable Honda CR-V 2022 wiper blades, this set delivers smooth performance during rain, highway spray, and dusty weather. The U/J hook connection locks in firmly, which helps reduce vibration at higher speeds. Compared with low-cost universal blades, these feel quieter and more stable. However, premium silicone options may last slightly longer in extreme climates. If you drive daily, commute through storms, or simply hate blurry visibility at night, these replacement blades bring back that clean, reassuring view every CR-V owner misses after old wipers wear out. Most drivers blame heavy rain for poor visibility, when worn-out wiper blades are usually the real problem. The 5+ silicone windshield wipers for the 2017 to 2022 Honda CR-V instantly feel different from the first swipe. Smooth. Quiet. Surprisingly clean. CR-V owners often struggle with streaking during storms, annoying squeaking sounds, or blades that wear out after one harsh season. That frustration gets old fast during night driving. This replacement set tackles those issues with silicone construction designed to glide evenly across the windshield while handling heat, dust, and rain more effectively than many standard rubber options. Installation is refreshingly simple. The 26-inch, 17-inch, and 12-inch sizes fit properly without awkward adjustments, which matters more than people think. Compared with cheaper generic Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 wiper blades, these deliver noticeably quieter performance and cleaner edge-to-edge wiping. There's one trade-off though. Silicone blades usually cost slightly more upfront. But for commuters, road trip drivers, or anyone tired of blurry rainy drives, that extra durability feels worth every mile. A terrifying amount of highway accidents begin with something painfully simple: drivers who can't see clearly through heavy rain. That's why the Rain X820248 weather beater blades instantly stand out for Honda CR-V owners searching for dependable visibility in unpredictable weather. The first thing you notice is consistency. No annoying streaks. No loud skipping across dry glass. Just a clean, smooth wipe that feels reassuring during sudden downpours. For many drivers comparing the best Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 wiper blades, that everyday reliability matters more than flashy branding. Cheap blades usually crack fast or leave blurry edges after a few months. Rain-X tackles that with durable rubber construction and OEM-level fitment that installs quickly without frustration. It's especially useful for commuters, families, and anyone driving long distances during storm season. Compared with premium beam-style wipers, these may look more traditional. They're also slightly less aerodynamic at high speed. But they often deliver similar wiping performance at a friendlier price. Some upgrades feel optional. Clear vision during a midnight rainstorm absolutely doesn't. Most drivers don't realize how exhausting bad wiper blades become until a midnight storm turns the windshield into a blurry wall of light. That's where this replacement wiper blade set for the Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 quietly changes the entire driving experience. The first thing that stands out is the factory-style fit. No awkward gaps. No annoying chatter across the glass. The 26-inch, 17, and 12 blades glide smoothly, clearing rain fast enough to make highway driving feel less stressful during heavy weather. A lot of CR-V owners struggle with cheap aftermarket blades that streak after only a few weeks. These solve that problem with a cleaner wipe pattern and stronger contact pressure. That matters during winter mornings and sudden downpours. Compared with beam-style universal blades, this set feels more tailored and easier to install. The trade-off? They may not have the ultra-premium silicone lifespan of expensive performance brands. Still, for commuters, family drivers, and daily Honda users searching for reliable Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 wiper blades, this set delivers comfort every time dark clouds roll in. Most drivers blame rain for poor visibility, but worn-out wiper blades are usually the real danger hiding in plain sight. That's where the AERO wipers set for the Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 instantly feels different. The first wipe across the windshield is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly clean, even during heavy rain. CR-V owners know the struggle. Cheap blades start skipping after a few months. Some leave annoying streaks right in the driver's line of sight. Others chatter loudly on dry glass. These premium all-season wiper blades solve that with a snug OEM-style fit, durable rubber construction, and extra squeegee refills included in the box. The complete 26-inch, 17, and rear 12 setup makes installation simple without hunting for separate pieces. Compared with budget silicone alternatives, Aero blades feel more stable at highway speeds, especially during storms. The downside? They cost slightly more than generic replacements. But for commuters, road trip drivers, and anyone searching for reliable Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 wiper blades, the clearer visibility and quieter performance genuinely change the driving experience on rainy nights. Most drivers blame heavy rain for poor visibility, but worn-out wiper blades are usually the real danger hiding in plain sight. That's where this 26-inch plus 17 windshield wiper set for the Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 makes an immediate difference. The first swipe feels smoother, quieter, and far more controlled than those aging factory blades most owners forget to replace. Here's the problem many CR-V drivers face. Cheap replacement blades often chatter across the windshield, leave streaks behind, or struggle during sudden storms. This set fixes that with factory-style fitment, balanced pressure, and a rear blade included in the package, something many competing kits skip entirely. The installation is refreshingly simple. No wrestling with awkward adapters. Just click them into place and drive. Compared with budget silicone alternatives, these provide a more OEM-like wiping pattern and cleaner edge contact. The downside? They may not last as long as premium beam blades in extreme climates. Still, for commuters, family drivers, and anyone tired of blurry rainy night driving, these wipers bring back something every Honda CR-V owner quietly misses: clear roads ahead.